Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mubashir Sohail. Today in this video I will tell you how to log photos, videos or any other personal data in Android phone. So let's start. First open Play Store, tap on search bar and here you will write clock vault. Install it, wait for installing. It's almost completed. After installing open it and tap on Let's Start. Here this application tells you how to lock your application. First here you set the password. I am setting this password for my application and then click on tab in the center and then again repeat password and tap in the middle. Here you give any security question. I am selecting this and security answer and then give your recovery email, then give again recovery email and then finish setup and tap on OK. Here you see add, close it and then add photos or videos which you want to add. Here you can see you can add contact, notes, new folder, create a new folder, and here you can capture a picture from your camera and also video and other files, import audios, videos and photos. Here you can add anything from your Android mobile. So I am going to import photos from my gallery. Allow it. Here I am going to add this pic. Move to Word. If you want to create new folder, you can it. Otherwise, tap on other files, and here you can see I have other files. Here you can see I have that picture in my other files. So friends, take care of you and your family.